You got me, baby, I got your back. Looking at you, thinking about all of the ways that you know me. I can't get enough. We got the future burning the past, good and the bad, making it last. We are what I want and I want what I...
Hey, this is Akant. I just went through hair transplantation. This is my 4th hair transplantation. This time I actually got it done at the Hairsmith clinic with Dr. Ankit Sharma. I got like about 5,000 grafts. On the 3rd day I also got SMP. The experience has been amazing. You know, I think from the day 1 to the last day, we've actually went through the information. All the information provided were very clear, and also, like, you know, the staff members, the general services, as well as the quality of the transplantation itself was obviously very clean and easy. One of the major thing that I really liked is I have no pain, and it was very easy to clean things as well. You know, and every day I was in contact with the Dr. Ankit Sharma, so all the information was available to me very, you know, nicely and very easily. I definitely recommend this place if you're looking for a hair transplant. This is, I think, by far the best place I've been to. I've also seen, like, you know, some different methods in the past where I actually did had FUT done, so I had a very large scar. Even the last time when I actually did through the FUE, the donor area, the scars were a little bit bigger. This time I see the scars are generally very, like, minor, so high chances is I'm not going to be able to see the scars this time.